Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Alpha Network. First, you'll need to download the Alpha Network application from your device's App Store. Once installed, open the app and follow the prompts to create your new account. This usually involves entering an email and setting a password. After successful registration, you'll be guided through the initial setup to begin mining Alpha Coin, which is a straightforward process taking less than 1 minute. It's designed for ease of use. To mine Alpha Coin, simply open the app and tap the mining button once every 24 hours. This activates your session and starts earning coins. You can significantly boost your mining rate by inviting friends and family to join the network using your unique referral code. Each active referral contributes to a higher earning potential. The Alpha Exchange is being developed to facilitate future trading of your accumulated Alpha Coin, offering a clear path for your digital assets. Account security is paramount. Always use a strong, unique password for your Alpha Network account. Your personal referral code is key to expanding your network and increasing your mining speed. Share it with potential new users to help them get started. A larger, more active network benefits everyone by strengthening the overall ecosystem and increasing the potential value of Alpha Coin. It's a collaborative effort that rewards participation. The Alpha Network is continuously evolving, with exciting features like the Alpha Exchange on the horizon, which will allow you to trade your Alpha Coin. Keep an eye on official announcements within the app for the latest updates and developments. These enhancements aim to provide more utility and value to all users. Also, for those looking to upgrade their home tech, check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to bring smart capabilities into your living space, offering convenience and entertainment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.